plants that grow beautifully in Zone 6. Dressed to Thrill Crossvine. Dressed to Thrill Crossvine. Bignonia capreolata envelops fences, walls, and trellises in a wave of orange-red trumpet-shaped flowers that appear from spring through summer. Ball Seedless Burning Bush. Ball Seedless Burning Bush. Euonymus alatus brings a show-stopping display of fiery red foliage in autumn. Its compact habit, often reaching about 4 to 5 feet tall, makes it an excellent choice for smaller yards or mixed borders. Fun and Games Shadow Tag. Foamy Bells. Fun and Games Shadow Tag. Foamy Bells, Heucherella hybrid, reveals intricately lobed leaves that showcase green and silver tones with a burgundy center. Its hardy foliage remains eye-catching in partially shaded beds, attracting attention even without prominent blooms. Gatsby Glow Ball Oakleaf Hydrangea. Gatsby Glow Ball Oakleaf Hydrangea, Hydrangea quercifolia, offers large, crisp, white flower clusters that age gracefully to pale green from early to late summer. Kodiak. Jet Black Deer Villa. Kodiak Jet Black Deer Villa. Deer Villa rivularis displays striking dark foliage that intensifies under bright sunlight. It showcases small yellow flowers in summer that pop against the richly colored leaves. Ocean Sunset. Trademark Violet Flare Ice Plant. Ocean Sunset Trademark Violet Flare Ice Plant, Delosperma hybrida florsica, produces bold purple-pink flowers from late spring to early fall. Its evergreen, succulent foliage stays low to the ground, typically reaching only a few inches in height. Paraplu Pure White Rose of Sharon. Paraplu Pure White Rose of Sharon, Hibiscus syriacus, R-Wood 7, delivers crisp, luminous flowers that appear from midsummer into early fall. Pielu clematis. Pielu clematis, Clematis pielu, stands out with its 2 distinct flower forms, appearing as fully double or semi-double blooms in late spring, followed by single flowers later in the season. Pinkerton Japanese Iris. Pinkerton Japanese Iris, Iris insata Pinkerton, delights with soft pink petals spanning up to 7 inches across, adding a subtle charm in early summer. Rainbow Rhythm. Fearfully and Wonderfully Made Daylily. Rainbow Rhythm Fearfully and Wonderfully Made Daylily, Heucherella hybrid, earns its lofty but playful name. It displays soft coral petals with a deep cranberry eye, an edging that opens repeatedly from midsummer to late summer. Explore top plants that grow beautifully in Zone 6. For more plants and ideas, follow the link in the description.